equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. If your Xiaomi Robot vacuum won't turn on, let's troubleshoot it together. First, check the power source. Ensure the charger is plugged in and the indicator light is on. If not, try a different outlet. Next, inspect the charging contacts on the vacuum. Clean them with a dry cloth to remove any dust or debris. Now, let's look inside. Use a screwdriver to remove the bottom cover. Check for any loose screws or damaged components. If you see anything unusual, it might need a professional diagnosis without obligation. After that, check the battery. If it's swollen or damaged, it's time for a replacement. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Once everything looks good, reassemble the vacuum and try turning it on again. If it still doesn't work, consider getting a quote before repair. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution to get your vacuum back in action. Follow these steps, and you might just save your robot vacuum. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.